How to link Amazon Associates to bank account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for affiliateprogram.amazon.com. It will land you on this official page of Amazon Associates. Once you are in here, tap on your account at the top right. Head over to Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, you will find the option of Change Payment Method. Click on it. Over here, tap on Bank Account. Now click on Add a new bank account. This interface will pop up on your screen. You will have to enter your bank account details. First of all, enter your bank location, and then enter your account holder name. Mention your account number and your bank name. Once it is done, now enter your bank currency and also your bank account type. For the confirmation, once again enter your account number. Also, you have to enter your routing number. Once you are done entering all the informations, tap on Save Changes, and then your Amazon Associates account will be successfully linked to bank account. This is it for today, and this was our tutorial video on how to link Amazon Associates account with your bank account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.